Hey, if you use Microsoft Word, Excel, PowerPoint, or Outlook regularly, whether for school, work, or just everyday tasks, you know how essential Microsoft 365 is. But let's talk about the one thing we all hate, paying full price. Right now, if you go to the official Microsoft website, the Microsoft 365 personal plan costs $99.99 per year. That's for one user, with access to the full Office suite, 1 terabyte of OneDrive cloud storage, and all the productivity tools, including Microsoft Copilot AI. Now, don't get me wrong. Microsoft 365 is worth every penny, especially with all the security and cloud features it includes. But what if I told you that you don't have to pay that full price? Let me introduce you to a deal I found on StackSocial that honestly blew me away. You can get 15 months of Microsoft 365 Personal, that a full year plus 3 bonus months, for just $79.99. That's 20% off the regular price, and you're getting more time, too. This subscription gives you access to Word, Excel, PowerPoint, Outlook, OneNote, OneDrive, and even Microsoft Editor across your PC, Mac, tablet, and phone. And yes, it's the exact same official Microsoft 365. This is not a knockoff or workaround. You get a valid license directly from Microsoft, with full access to updates, premium features, and 1 terabyte of secure OneDrive cloud storage. What's the catch? Honestly, none. StackSocial is a legit marketplace that partners with top software brands, and this deal is a limited-time offer. Once it's gone, it's gone. So, if you've been putting off renewing your Microsoft Office or just want to lock in some serious savings, now's the time. Click the link in the description below to grab the Microsoft 365 Personal 15-month deal for just $79.99 from StackSocial. No monthly fees, no hidden costs, just premium Microsoft tools at a fraction of the price. If you found this helpful, drop a like, subscribe for more smart tech deals, and let me know in the comments how you use Microsoft 365 in your daily life. Thanks for watching, and enjoy your 15 months of productivity power.